Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the abnormal activity or suspicious activity detection using machine learning. So this is the complete project folder. So let's explore one by one. This is the images folder. This is the about project. Okay, contact us, the home page and the loading page. So just go back and this will be the model and this will be the main file where we have defined the complete code of the interface and the ML part. So let's run the project. We have to open the terminal and then write python space main.py and enter. Okay, it will load and user can give the input video or live streaming. So let's give the input video, browse video. I'm selecting this particular video. So it will detect and recognize the activity. So this project developed using Python programming language and machine learning model used to train the model. And this model is trained on the multiple activities like explosion, fighting, robbery, like that. And the interface developed using Tkinter module. Right now it is showing the robbery and the arrest. So it will detect the person and detect the activity. So this type of project we are developing related to computer science domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network. If you are searching any type of project ideas, then you can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com. Arrest. This was the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.